Today I would do 10 videos with the KC SFX. I cannot show you what it sounds like, or else people would call out me for this, even though I hate this sound. Number 1. Diddy Dog's Kids Club. In the intro, the sound begins to come up. Number 2. Teen Titans Go. In the episode Mr. But the sound begins to come up. Number 3. Harvey Girls Forever. In the episode Trade Wreck, the sound begins to come up 3 times in a row. Number 4. Baby TV. In the video Pitch and Patch, the sound begins to come up. Number 5. The SpongeBob SquarePants movie 2004, the sound begins to come up in the Goofy Goober scene. We're halfway there. Number 6. Plim Plim. Whenever the games are finished, the sound begins to come up. Number 7. But Trumpet. In the video, the sound begins to come up. Number 8. BFDI. In the 2 videos, the sound begins to come up. Number 9. Evolution of the Thwomp 1988 to 2017. The sound begins to come up at the beginning. Finally, we have the last videos plus bonus. Number 10. Your teacher bestie. In a wide variety of videos, the sound begins to come up. Bonus. Sound Effects Wiki. If you are searching, you could find the sound. Did we miss any? Leave it in the comments, and wait if you are excited about the Dragon City movie. Say yes in the comments.